What's up, good people? This is Rifat, and in this video, we'll talk about how to get rich. We all know Warren Buffett, who is one of the wealthiest man and wealthiest investor in the world. Today, we'll learn 4 secrets of Warren Buffett that made him the wealthiest man on this earth. So let's get started. Number 1, start young. This is the secret that no one would tell you. You might think it's never late. I can get success at any stage of my life. I can earn money and success at any stage of my life. Maybe you are partially true, but this thought will keep you away from becoming a successful and wealthiest investor like Warren Buffett. Let me say why. Warren Buffett started his investment at the age of 10 and keep on investing till the age of his late 70s and 80s. This is the secret of his wealth. Time. Time is the secret of Warren Buffett's life. So you have to focus on this time. Here comes the second point. Number 2, power of compounding. Well, if you want to understand how starting at young age made Warren Buffett a rich man, you have to understand the power of compounding. According to Warren Buffett, compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding means earn from an investment and reinvest the profit and then make profit from the whole investment and then again make profit and add this profit with the investment and go on. Which means earn money, reinvest this, earn money and reinvest this, make profit, reinvest this. This is compounding. You will understand the ultimate power of compounding if I explain this with the real life example of Warren Buffett's life. Warren Buffett started his investment at the age of 10 with $5,000, which become $84 billion at the age of his 86. $84 billion. He got 22% annual return from his investment. Isn't it amazing? Now let's see if Warren Buffett would have started his investment at the age of 30 with $10,000, how much it would grow. At the age of 60, his net worth would have been only $6.9 billion. If Warren Buffett would have started his investment at the age of his 30, his net worth would have been only $6.9 million, which is 99.99% less than his actual net worth. Oh my God, 99.99% less. So all this difference he made in his life with using the power of compounding. This is the secret of his life, power of compounding and power of time. Let's jump into the third secret of Warren Buffett, which is buy businesses. Buying others people's businesses is one of the most important secrets of Warren Buffett's life. You might wondering how to buy other people's businesses. Well, let me make it clear for you. Buy stock. Yes, buying stocks means buying other people's businesses, which means invest on stock markets. This is how you buy a portion of others' businesses. When you are the owner of the stock of a particular company, it makes you the owner of a particular company. I'm not joking. Maybe you are the owner of a smaller portions of the company, but still you are the owner. And this is how you are buying others' businesses and earning money from others' businesses. This is the secret that Warren Buffett applied in his life to get rich and become a rich person. Now, what is the fourth secret of Warren Buffett? Invest in yourself. Yes, invest in yourself is the fourth secret of Warren Buffett's life. Investing on yourself is the best investment that you could ever make. Invest on learning new skills, learn about investing world, learn about stock market, learn about finance, learn about personal finance, learn about money management. Learn the skill that will help you to grow yourself. I bet nothing can stop you from getting your success in life if you invest on yourself. So start investing on yourself. and start investing your money without wasting time. The early you start, the more you make. Don't forget the most powerful thing in the world: compounding. It will make you rich one day, I promise you.